Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 14th. Market analysis. After China and the United States reached an important trade agreement, the market risk aversion fell sharply, and the spot gold market remained at a relatively low level. Yesterday, the market peaked at $3,262.52 per ounce, and finally closed at $3,249.98 per ounce. On this trading day, the Asian morning market broke the short-term adjustment range, and the lowest in the day was $3,221.69 per ounce, and it is currently trading at around $3,226 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the progress of trade negotiations and the recent progress of the parties to geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a low shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage with a shock range of $32.21 to $32.40, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,240 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $32.50 to $32.60. If the afternoon market breaks 3,221 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $32.11 to $32.01. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a low shock stage in hours, and in a shock stage in 15 minutes. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1164 and 1.1202. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1202 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1250 to 1.1280. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1164 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1110 to 1.1070. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3296 to 1.3322. If the market breaks 1.3322 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3360 to 1.3390. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3296 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3250 to 1.3220. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is at a low level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6460 to 0.6487. If the market breaks 0.6487 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6520 to 0.6560. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6460 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6420 to 0.6380. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen fluctuated at a high level. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 146.80 to 147.68. If the market breaks 147.68 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 148.20 to 148.60. If the afternoon market breaks 146.80 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 146.00 to 145.50. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.20.